Hook number 1 will go over the back of the seat. Then it has 2 buckles that go into the hooks at the base. You'll want to loosen this generously to make it easier to buckle in. So you have each side. Then we're going to lift it up and put it in. And I do the far side first. I don't know if you can see that. It's a hook. It goes exactly where the hook icon is at the base of the seat. The other side then goes on this side.
Where's the icon?
The icon is right down here. That little black dot.
Oh.
You can turn your camera light on if that helps. Once it's in, what I do is actually climb in and kneel into the chair. Kneel into the chair, you get your adult weight in there, and you can pull on the strap and get it much tighter than you would if you were just pulling on it. So now it's very tight. The last hook, which of course just went behind everything. Okay, the last hook goes underneath the headrest to the back trunk of the car. Open up the trunk of the car. Oh, got it tangled up in your seatbelt. Goes behind, underneath the headrest, and then there's a hook on the back of the seat. Tighten that, and you're done.